In this video, I'm going to introduce the key features of CLEVA, a user-friendly platform that enables users to holistically evaluate a Chinese language model with just a few clicks. As soon as you enter our website, you will see the latest evaluation results of 23 influential large language models. You can select the models freely, take a closer look at the values, and compare the performance of different models. The results come from 9 metrics. We have innovatively incorporated diversity and privacy metrics to provide a more comprehensive view of models. With 370,000 Chinese test instances and 9 metrics, CLEVA represents the most holistic Chinese benchmark right now. If you want to evaluate a model, you can start an evaluation job following our standardized workflow. Let's fill in the name and a short description for this evaluation. Next, we kindly request you to provide 1 or 2 APIs so that our platform can access the model. Just like the ChatGPT API, the generative API generates a text response based on a prompt, while the multiple choice API returns the log probability of the target's tokens. In the second step, you can choose freely from the 31 predefined tasks. We design many tasks specific to Chinese, like pinyin transliteration and classical Chinese understanding. Underlying the platform, we standardize prompting strategy to make results of different models comparable, and we spend many efforts to proactively mitigate chain test contamination problem. In the third and final steps, we can select the metrics that matter most to you. In just a couple of minutes, an evaluation job can be deployed. Once the job is completed, you can check the values online or download a more detailed reports in JSON format. Hope our platform can help you with your research. Thank you.